Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make turkey. I'm going to show you how I fry my turkey. I'm as well going to show you how I fry my fish sometimes. So let's get to the kitchen quickly and yes, let's get it done and dusted. Yeah, you can enjoy turkey with a lot of food like rice, like fried yam, kinky, boiled yam, boiled plantain, and a whole lot. But on my channel or in this video today, I'm going to enjoy this turkey with some kinky and some yam as you just saw it. So let's get started. Let's go and grind our ingredients. I mean our essential ingredients and start making it right away. So we are going to grind our spring onions, our ginger, our shallots, our chili flakes, and some rosemary. Guys, just name it. Just use any seasoning of your choice and also use any ingredients of your choice. And let's get started. Guys, let's fry this. I'm also adding some avocado oil, some garlic granules, like guys, name it. Use any aromatic ingredients or seasoning of your choice. So these are mine. So use any of your choice. So we are done blending, and these are my washed and clean turkey and fish. We adding some salt, and then we will also pour some of the aromatic blended ingredients in each of the bowl. The one that contains turkey and the one that contains fish. So after that, we're going to mix it well. We're going to make sure we coat the fish and the turkey well with our aromatic ingredients. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Make sure you spread this evenly. Let every fish and turkey part get some of the seasoning and the aromatic ingredients. Coat it so well so that every piece of the fish and the turkey will taste good. So when we are done, we're going to put the turkey and the fish away. We put the fish in the sun, or you can fry the fish right away, and then we put the turkey in the fridge for some minutes just to marinate it. We want the seasonings, the ingredients that we have used all to get into the turkey well. We want it to penetrate into the turkey so that it will taste good. So we are taking the fish in the sun and then the turkey in the fridge. You can as well just leave it like that. Let it stay or sit there for some minutes and then you can fry it later. Or you can as well fry it right away like the fish. So it's time for frying, guys. So you can see it's quick and so easy. But all depends on the type of aromatic ingredient that you use to coat your fish or your turkey. Yeah, it smells so good. You can see that the seasoning and everything I have put together has really been absorbed by the turkey and the fish. So it's going to taste good. Now I'm adding some flour to my fish. It's optional. Like it's optional, guys. It's optional. We are frying the fish first and then the turkey second. So I'm doing deep frying, guys. Yeah, so that's the fish. Look how crispy, how tasty, delicious, and nice that this fish looks. Yeah, it smells so good. It tastes so good. Oh, the aroma is so amazing. So far, the aroma in my house is amazing. It's so heavenly. I love this recipe, guys, and I hope you will try it too. Bring me the feedback if you do. Look how the fish looks. Look how it looks. The color is so golden. It smells good. It tastes good. You can sometimes do this for your friends when they come over or family when they come over. You see, the recipe is amazing, guys. The avocado oil that I use, hmm, I'm loving everything about this recipe. The second batch of fish is also ready, and guys, the aroma, these essential ingredients I use are so heavenly. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ah, my God. So we are now done with the fish and going straight ahead and fry the turkey, guys. I love the way the turkey has taken its time to absorb the essential and aromatic ingredients. I love that. So when you take a bite of this turkey, you can just imagine what you're going to taste. You taste heaven, guys. Yes, that's my turkey right there. You can as well boil or steam your turkey before frying, but I chose to just marinate it and fry it straight away. So it's up to you which method you want to use. But anyways, look at that. This turkey. I love the color. Yes, I love it. I love the way no it's smelling, the aroma. So if you are new on this channel and you've seen this video up to this point, what are you waiting for? It means you are loving my recipe and loving what I'm doing. Subscribe already. Just click on the red subscribe button. Also click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. Yes, so it's time to serve. And as always, I'm doing the tasting for you guys since you cannot come over, alright? So, yes, I'm eating my turkey and fish with some kenke and also, yes, some shato or black pepper sauce that I made. I'll leave the link below if you want to see how I made my shato or black pepper sauce. So, guys, that is it. It looks so good and it tastes good as well. So you can eat the turkey with some rice, some kenke, some boiled yam. Yes, that's my boiled yam recipe, guys. It's hitting on your channel very soon, so watch out. You will love it. Thank you for watching and see you all again in my next video. Bye bye.